So we're here hiking Mount LeConte. I'm so excited. Started about 9 o'clock, and it was already packed. It's gonna be a long day. Last year we stopped right here and like filtered water and took a little break on the way down. I didn't think we'd be able to find it again. Whoa. So Mount LeConte, or for the tourists, Mount LeConte, is a little over 6,500 feet in elevation. And I'm already feeling it within a mile. We're at the cave thing. And we end up over there. It's just steady grad of uphill. Sucks. You just can't have a go up and then level out and go up. Got some good views right here. The clouds are kind of scaring me a little bit. The openings up here. I smell body. Awesome lookout right here. They're still coming up the hill. I made it up to the Bluffs Alum Cave, which we've been here before. Just kind of walking around. But we got about 2.3 miles left to go. And I have a feeling those are going to be harder than what we just did. So the trail goes right there. And right back through that way. And that's where we're headed. This rock is so cool though. It's huge. It's a tricky run machine. The elevation's really taking it out. You can feel that cool air coming in. Feels good, but man, just talking, it's taking a little bit of breath out of me. I need to do more cardio. More openings here. And we're back in to the trail. We're almost there. It gets better. Almost there. Hoping this is the long stretch home. You excited? We're almost there. Well, I've been saying that for a while now though. Almost looks like it's fake, like it doesn't exist. How the trees are like perfectly lined up down the trail. Get some something to eat, something to drink, not just another bar. I thought it was gonna be really windy up here too, but it's not. All right, Rainbow Falls Trail, and then we got Mount LeConte Lodge that way. So 1.1, we're there. We made it. Never even got to try this Omega 3 vanilla almond. Still in there from last trip. Not a fan.
Huh? Not good?
No. These squirrels just don't care. Shelter on the way to Memorial Point. That's where we're headed. Another 0.7 miles to Memorial Point, and then we're gonna head back down. So it'll be about a 6 mile. It's gonna be about 6 miles one way, right? And then another 6 miles down. Let's get it though. It's an awesome view. It was supposed to be cloudy, but it's opening up. 0.2 left. We got lucky since the clouds are breaking. Look at that. A little more. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
Was it cool?
Yeah. And get some napping rocks when they leave.
Nap.
Napping rocks.
Let's see what's over here. Ellie's taking a nap. The sun is coming out. Now we got a 6 mile hike down to the car. So should be fun. I think that is Gatlinburg right down there. I don't know. I'll even write one of these on this thing here. Little stone. We'll put it right there. There we go. Overhead. It's crazy looking. We're cruising. So on the way back, we decided we're gonna take a 0.2 mile detour to the cliff tops and see what they're about. Definitely worth the extra 0.2 miles to come up here. Now we're heading back, for real. I promise.
And it better be a promise kept.
You don't really notice anything until like you're hiking and you're tired and you realize there's a lot of ferns up here. We're almost there.